So Sean Wedger la Carraige the Féile na Carraige Féile Carraige. We're here now as part of the 5th day for Féile na Carraige 2024 with Céad Míle Fáilte, the inspiring project of chun that is providing spaces for the new communities in Ireland to learn about the Irish language and the Irish culture. And today we're in Anam Cafe here, where we have heard from Grania Holland's amazing singing workshop. We've had amazing food from Móna, from the Nubian Association, who also helped show us some dancing from the Nubians. And we finished off with some very special anti-racist poetry from Siobhan McCallum, Sarah Boyce, and again Grania Holland. So it's another special day where we've got to sort of facilitate a cultural exchange between the Irish language community and the new communities, particularly from Sudan and really across the global south. People who are living locally around here are coming in and getting a flavour and a taste of the Irish language, and vice versa. We're learning so much about the new cultures as well, which is really needed when we're talking about building any kind of movement, particularly around decolonisation and others. We need to learn about each other as well and get to know each other. And yeah, it's been a special day and we're looking forward to the rest of the Féile.